If reading music still feels slow even after a lot of practice, it's probably not because you haven't practiced enough. It's because you're stuck in the wrong stage of reading. Now, to be clear, everyone starts the same way. You see a note, you figure it out, and then you play it. We call that process decoding, and at the beginning, it's supposed to be slow. But with repetition, it does get faster. This is exactly how reading works. When you first learned to read, you probably sounded things out like dog, D-O-G, dog, dog. And over time, you didn't stop decoding because it was wrong. You stopped because your brain started recognizing the word instantly. You went from decoding into reading more fluently. You're seeing larger chunks. Quick question. When you read music, do you feel like you're still figuring out each note as you go? If you do, comment decoding down below. I want to see how many of you are in that stage. Now, the same transition that happens in reading needs to happen in music. At first, you decode the notes, but eventually your brain should start recognizing things like intervals, chord shapes, patterns, even phrases if they aren't incredibly long. And this is where a lot of pianists get stuck. They stay in decoding mode instead of transitioning into recognition. So, even if you've been reading for years, you're still figuring things out. You hesitate, you lose your place. Reading never quite feels automatic because everything is happening too slowly to keep the music moving. If you're not sure where this is breaking down for you, I put together a quick piano reading audit. You can grab it in the link down below, and I'll show you exactly which part of your reading is slowing you down. Now, decoding, remember, is where we start, but recognition is what makes you fluent, sorry. Recognition is what makes you fluent. Decoding is how you start. Recognition is what makes you fluent. And this is exactly where fluent readers are different. In the next video, I'm going to show you what fluent piano readers actually see when they look at a page, because they're not seeing individual notes. They're really seeing so much more.